Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Are you tired of forgetting which episode you watched last, or struggling to keep track of your favorite movies and shows? Imagine one app that tracks everything you watch, automatically. Today, I'll show you exactly what Simkl is, and how to use it like a pro. Section 1. What is Simkl? Simkl is a powerful tracking platform that helps you manage your movies, TV shows, and even anime, all in one place. It keeps track of what you've watched, what you're currently watching, and what you want to watch next. Think of it like your personal entertainment assistant. Section 2. Key features of Simkl. Here are some amazing features that make Simkl stand out. Automatic tracking. It can sync with streaming platforms and track what you watch. Episode reminders. Never miss a new episode again. Watchlists. Save movies and shows for later. Detailed stats. See your watching habits and history. Multi-platform support. Works on web, mobile, and browser extensions. And yes, it even supports anime lovers. Section 3. How to sign up for Simkl. Let's get started step by step. Go to the official Simkl website. Click on Sign Up. You can register using email, Google, or social accounts. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. It's super simple and takes less than a minute. Section 4. How to use Simkl. Now, let's learn how to actually use Simkl. Step 1. Search and add content. Search for any movie or show you like. Click on it and mark it as watching, completed, or plan to watch. Step 2. Track your progress. Whenever you watch an episode, update it manually, or let Simkl track it automatically. Step 3. Install browser extension, optional. Install the Simkl extension for Chrome or other browsers. It automatically tracks what you watch on platforms like Netflix. Step 4. Get notifications. Enable notifications so you never miss new episodes. Step 5. Explore stats. Check your profile to see how much time you've spent watching content. Conclusion. So that's everything you need to know about Simkl and how to use it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.